What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, Ink Black here, and we're here to jailbreak Untethered iOS 5.1.1. Yeah, and let's get to it right away. Alright, first you open the zip file that you downloaded from the link below, right here. And when you open it up, you're going to see this green little file right here, and you click that double times, and it's going to extract itself. Then this file is going to come out, this 2 file right here, and this is for Mac OS X users, and this is for Windows PC. Open it up, and there it is. There's the baby right there. Alright, here we go. Alright, what the hell's that? Alright. There we go. And it says to download. Then it says to plug in your device. Mine's already plugged into my computer. Motherfucker. Alright, let's go. Then you click jailbreak. That's right. That's right, baby. Alright, let's go. Alright. It looks like you're I kind of failed it one time. I think it's continuing from there, or I don't know what's going on. Like my idevice kind of like fell off. Alright, let's see what happens. If you want to retry jailbreak, unplug your device and plug it back in. Alright, plug it back in. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, then let's play jailbreak. Alright, beginning jailbreak. This may take a while. This may take a while. 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 That's right. So I'm ready to play for a while. Hurry up, man. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, even my game is slower now. Damn, autoplay. Lagging my computer, man. Why is this coming on now? Oh, great. Not responding. Freaking. What's going on? Hurry up. Oh, there we go. Oh, shit. God damn it. Don't you just hate that when that happens? You just click, trying to delete the program, then it starts running again. What the hell is going on, man? Freaking Windows 7. I freaking hate Windows 7, and I don't even know why I had it. I'm just waiting for the new MacBook Pro to come out this 2012, probably June. The WWDC that's coming out in June 11 to 15. They're probably gonna announce it. And alright, here we go. Finally. Alright, here we go. How's this? Resume game. Alright, what the hell? Oh, freaking. Shit, no ammo. Alright. Where the hell is it? Obviously, the jailbreak's still going on right there. I mean, I have Mass Effect 3, but I don't know if that's gonna run it. My computer sucks ass, so whatever. Electricity cannot kill me, motherfucker. Oh shit. Frick. Did you die? Oh, what the hell? Oh, there we go. Anybody else? Die. What? Man, I suck at aiming. Oh, don't walk. Fuck. Freaking. Loop. That's not the way. I think that's the way. Yep.
Oh, hey there! You in that fancy lab that sent me clean the place?
Yes. Ammo. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Alright, looks like a boss battle. Alright, here we go. Shit. Oh fuck, what the hell?
You've got a lot of guts. Let's see what they look like.
Ah, freaking damn computer. Stop freaking flying around, motherfuckers.
What a mess. Something's shaking the crane. Come on out, you bastard. Donkey punch you in the blowhole.
Donkey punch.
I'm gonna carve you into sushi.
Yeah, motherfucker. Shit. Shit. I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna hide here for a while. Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
Las Vegas, and I say
fuck? Oh shit, alright, whatever. Alright, there we go. It says, please make a backup of your device before using this tool. Don't expect any